5 reasons why you should be juicing. Ever wonder why everyone's talking about juicing? From celebrities to nutrition experts like myself, there's a reason juicing is the talk of the town. So here's 5 reasons. Reason 1, it's packed with nutrients. So imagine eating 5 carrots, 2 apples, and a bunch of kale, all in one sitting. Sounds daunting, right? Your body absorbs these nutrients way faster in liquid form. Now, thanks to juicing, nutrients bypass the lengthy digestive process. So instead of waiting, your body gets a direct shot of vitamins and minerals right away. Reason 2, natural detoxification. Your liver and kidneys work overtime to detoxify your body. A fresh juice, especially green ones, support these organs, making their job much easier. And leafy greens are liver's best friends. By juicing them, you're not only detoxifying, but also ensuring optimal liver and kidney function. Reason 3, ever heard of the gut-brain connection? It's real. A healthy gut means a happy you. And juicing aids in gut health. So your gut health affects your mental well-being. That's right. That smooth green juice can uplift your mood. Reason 4, with juicing, you're giving your body clean fuel, sustained energy and vitality throughout the day. And reason 5, it supports weight management. Want to lose weight and get rid of that belly fat? Then incorporate juicing. It's a great way to keep calorie intake in check while loading up on nutrients. And actually, certain ingredients like ginger, lemon, and grapefruit, they boost your metabolism and help with visceral fat. That's the fat around your belly. Now, it's clear, juicing is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle choice that benefits your mind, your body, and your soul. So if you're ready to juice, I have a Juicing 101 course that can help you get started. You can learn more by visiting my profile page.